Hello, hi everyone. This is Ganesh, and in this video I am going to explain about trigonometric ratios. That means in this video we are going to learn about what are trigonometric ratios and what is the use, what kind of problems are asking in the examination, such kind of things we are going to learn in this video. And before going that, please don't forget subscribe this channel and please share this video to your friends. Yes, let us see. We all know that trigonometry generally deals with for finding the heights and distances of the large buildings and very large trees and mountains, such kind of things. For measuring those things, we are using trigonometry. So the reason here we are dealing the trigonometry with right angle triangle. So here trigonometric ratios we can define using a right angle triangle. So let us I'll show you here. Let us see the diagram here, right angle triangle, and I can give the name also. Here I am taking angle A, and this is B and this is C, and here at B 90 degrees this is, so 90 degrees. And in a right angle triangle we all know that the largest side is, and opposite to the 90 degrees side, AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse, we can say hypotenuse, and remaining two sides are there. It may be equal sides or not equal also, right? So in this triangle, by taking this triangle, now we have to define the trigonometric ratios. So in this right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, we all know that, and remaining two angles are acute angles. Acute angles means the angle lies between 0 to 90. It is less than 90 degrees, remaining two angles. So if you want to define the trigonometric ratios, first any one angle we can take it as some theta or x, whatever it may be, or otherwise we can say angle A. So here the trigonometric ratios we are defining by taking any one of the acute angle, either A or C. So with respect to angle A, what are the ratios we'll get? Let us see the relation between the ratios, the relation between the angle and the sides. Let us see. And generally here the all the things we are dividing into a few, that means total 6 ratios are there. What are the 6 ratios? Let us see. The first ratio we are defining with sine. So sine, generally SINE, this is sine, so simply SIN we are writing. So if we define sine theta, that is equal to, so here this angle I am taking. So because of this angle we can select it with respect to this angle. AB is the adjacent side, and BC is the opposite side, and AC is hypotenuse. So these three things are there. So sine theta, sine ratio, how can we define? Means sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, So now easily we can write opposite side of angle A is BC divided by angle hypotenuse is AC. So sine theta, this ratio, for this ratio we are giving a name, that is sine theta. That means sine theta, sine A also we can say sine A is equal to BC by AC. So like this we can define the total 6 ratios. The second one is cos theta. That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side of angle A is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. So in that way, one more ratio is tan theta. So tan A also we can say. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to, what is the opposite of angle A is BC by BC by, what is adjacent? Adjacent is AB. So AB we can write it. These are the main three ratios we can define by using a right angle triangle. Even you can give any other name, XYZ triangle or anything you can take it. Here I've taken ABC. And similarly we can define another three also, but those three are multiplicative inverses of sine, cos, tan theta. So sine theta inverse is cosecant theta, cosecant theta, or other cosec A also we can say. Cosecant theta inverse I said, that means if sine theta is having opposite by hypotenuse, means cosecant theta is having hypotenuse by opposite side. So hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is BC, AC by BC. This is BC by AC and this is AC by BC. And what is the cos theta? Cos theta is there. What is the multiplicative inverse of cos theta is secant theta. Sec theta we can say, that is secant A or secant theta. That is, if cos theta is AB by AC, then secant theta is AC by AB, AC by AB. And tan theta, for tan theta what is the reciprocal, means cot theta. This is another ratio, that is cot theta is equal to AB by BC, AB by BC. Generally tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, but cot theta, coming to cot theta, that is AB by BC. So total in trigonometry, total 6 ratios are defined. We have to remember these ratios. For example, here generally with respect to A, these are the adjacent side and opposite side. For example, if I take C, that means what is sine C? Sine C, this angle I have taken. So with respect to this angle, this is the adjacent side and this one is the opposite side. This one is the opposite side. Then we can define it. In the hypotenuse there is no change in the hypotenuse. So how can I define sine C? Sine C means opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC will get it. Like that. Cos C, what is cos C? Cos C, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos C is BC by AC. So in this way we can take either this one or this one. So these are the trigonometric ratios, very important. We have to remember these ratios. Now let us see what kind of problems we can solve by using these ratios. Yeah, look at here is a problem. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta 1 into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So this thing we have to find it. So if we want find the given problem, here cot theta value we all know that, but what is sin theta and what is cos theta? So those two ratios if we find, we can substitute the values in the given expression and we can find that value. So for that, first I'll draw a right angle triangle, then I come back. This is the diagram, and in this, so cot theta value given, that is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, and I told you this is the ratio. This is the ratio 7 by 8. So what is the cos theta ratio? That means according to sidewise if we see, generally tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Then what is cot theta? Adjacent side by opposite side. So with respect to this angle, this one is the adjacent, right, and this one is the opposite. So here, and one more thing here, adjacent side is to opposite side. This is the given ratio, that is 7:8. 7:8. So now what is adjacent side here? So AB is adjacent side. So AB value is 7. 7 directly we can't write because this is ratio. The reason I'll take one variable here, 7x and 8x I'll take it. So whenever ratio is there, we have to multiply some constant for both the parts. So here 7x is the adjacent side and 8x is the 8x is the opposite side. These two values we got it. So to find the sin theta and cos theta, we need hypotenuse. So what is this hypotenuse? Hypotenuse length we need to find it. For finding hypotenuse, so here in a right angle triangle already we have two sides, lengths of two sides we got it. So how can we find another side? By using Pythagoras theorem we can find the another side. So what is Pythagoras theorem? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So according to this, to get AC, first substitute the values. What is AB? AB is 7x whole square and plus what is BC? 8x whole square. Then 7 sevens are 49x square plus 64x square, that is equal to, we'll get 49 plus 64 is 113 x square. So 113 x square, but we need AC only. So to get AC squares, and that's it becomes square root. Then finally we are getting, because 113 is not a perfect square, so the reason root 13 into x, already x square is there. So the reason, what is AC? AC is root 113x, root 113x. So now from this triangle we got all the lengths of all the sides. So now we can find sin theta and cos theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side according to this, that means with respect to this, opposite side by hypotenuse. So here opposite side is 8x by, and the hypotenuse is root 113x. So that equal to x gets cancelled, will get 8 by root 13, 8 by root 13. So this is the sin value, and one more value we needed, that is cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is this one, and hypotenuse, adjacent side is 7x divided by root 13x, and the x gets cancelled, 7 by root 13. So in this way we can find the remaining ratios. In this way we can find remaining all 6 ratios, we can find it. Most of the time these kind of problems they are asking. So sometimes they are giving cot theta, sometimes tan theta value, sometimes sin theta value. The ratios giving, we can find the another side easily, and after that we can find all the ratios. After this, after getting these values, substitute these values in the given expression. So 1 plus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta. So to evaluate this, before substituting these values, first I'll try to simplify this given expression. For example, here you see 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So the given expression in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that we can write it as a square minus b square. So according to that, 1 square minus sin square theta, and even from the denominator 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that is a square minus cos square theta. Now I'll substitute the values here. Now I substitute the values. So 1 square is 1, but here coming to sin square theta, generally sin value we got it. What is sin value? Here 8 by root 13. So 8 by root 13. So for that, 8 by root 113 whole square, this is divided by, here 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square. So these are the things we got it here. So after that, if we want to simplify these two, let us see, 1 minus 8 8s are 64 by, and here root and square root gets cancelled, 113 divides, and divides, I will write the symbol here, 1 minus 7 sevens are 49, and squares gets cancelled, that is 113. This is the expression we got it here. Now here one more step, I will write it. So 1 minus 64 by 113 said, so if I take the LCM here, 113 minus 64 by 113 divides, Here also 113 minus 49 by 113. After this, one more step. And if I subtract 113 minus 64 is and after subtracting these two, 113 minus this one is 49 by 113 divides here 113 minus 49 is 64 by 113. So after simplifying these two, we'll get, I'll go here now, and here 49 by 113 into the reciprocal, we have to write it, that is 64. So now these two gets cancelled. Finally we are getting 49 by 64. So this is the answer we got it after simplifying the given expression. After simplifying this, finally we are getting 49 by 64 is the answer. So these kind of problems they are asking based on this trigonometric ratios. Yes, I hope you understand well about trigonometric ratios. In this way we can find the values of the given expressions using trigonometric ratios. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel, share these videos to your friends, and if you are not understanding, once again you watch this video, easily you can understand all these things. Thank you very much.